What's up, everybody? Today we're going to make a BLT chicken salad. So, cheers and let's cook. The first thing I'm going to do is cook off my chicken breasts. I have 3 chicken breasts here, about 2.5 pounds, maybe a little over. Got my oven preheating to 425 degrees. Just going to drizzle these guys with some olive oil, rub that around on both sides. And we're going to season that with some salt and some pepper. All we got to do is pop these into our oven and let them bake for about 20 minutes or until they're at 165 degrees internally. And then we're going to take them out and cool them down completely in the fridge. Those are ready for the oven. While our chicken's cooking, I got 12 ounces of bacon panned up. I'm going to go into that same 425 degree oven. These are going to go for 15 minutes, then I'm going to spin them and go for another 8 to 10 minutes or until it's nice and crispy. While our chicken and bacon are cooking, I'm going to finish up our knife work, and I'm going to start that by quartering a pint of cherry tomatoes. Got all our cherry tomatoes quartered, so next I'm going to slice 3 scallions. That is all our knife work until we have to dice up our chicken and our bacon. So I'm just going to pop these into the fridge and wait on that chicken. Our chicken and bacon are cooked through and completely cooled off. So now all we have to do is dice both of them up and it'll be time to put everything together. We are ready to build our chicken salad. I'm going to go into a large bowl with my chicken. My diced bacon. Got our quartered cherry tomatoes. Our sliced scallion. Then I have a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, a 1/4 cup of sour cream, half a cup of a plain Greek yogurt, we're going to season that. I have 2 teaspoons of minced dried garlic, 1 teaspoon of minced dried onion. We're going to go in with about 2 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper. We're just going to stir that up real good. Stirred that up, gave it a little taste. I think we need 1 more teaspoon of salt. Just going to mix that in and we should be good to go. To serve, I have some beautiful Bibb lettuce here. I'm just going to take a nice big scoop and put that on top of each piece of Bibb lettuce. We're going to serve those as lettuce wraps. You could put them on some buns and make some sandwiches or whatever you'd like. But after that, we're going to be ready to eat. We have a beautiful little BLT chicken salad here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget, hit the like and subscribe. Also, the recipe is written in the description right below the video. Cheers, and I'll see you next time.